Hey guys, back out here doing another tool review tonight on the new Hyper Step drill bit set from Matco Tools here in Prestonsburg, Kentucky. It's a new patented Hyper Step tip, cuts up to 45% faster in materials such as sheet metal, broken fasteners, and other hard materials. This tip design gets it done faster, easier, while staying sharper longer when compared to conventional and other specialty tip designs from other companies. This tip design also starts holes easier with its step-like tip design, allowing laser precision holes, preventing bit walking in sheet metal and curved surfaces. Guys, I'm telling you, you need to hurry and get this awesome deal while the supplies last. On our Matco truck here local, if you get a 21-piece set, you get $25 off with used trade-in. If you get a 29-piece set, you get a $50 off with used trade-in. And if you get the bad boys, the Cobalt set, giving you a $75 off with used trade-in. Guys, that's hard to beat. And any mechanic or anybody that fools with, fabricating, drilling holes, this and that, these bits are awesome. So check them out, guys. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next tool tip.